For phonics today, we are working on I can read GN words. GN says because the G is silent. Sometimes the GN is at the beginning of a word, like here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Sometimes it's in the middle of a word, like right here. And sometimes it's at the end of a word, like here and here. Let's take a look at these pictures that you're supposed to drag by pressing down with your thumb on your pad, on your keypad, and dragging it with your pointer finger over to where the box that has that word that matches the picture is. Let me show you an example. This is new. New is a type of animal. So if this is a new, over here, this is new. New. So, I drag this and drop it here. So that picture is new. So my turn. New, your turn. This is a picture of a man gnashing his teeth. Gnash means to put your teeth together in a fierce way. So this picture would go with the word gnash. This picture is a picture of a blank sign. So you would match this picture with the word sign. This is a picture of a funny little old man with a pointy hat called a gnome. This is a picture of an assignment. This is a picture of a dog gnawing on his bone. So the word would be gnaw. This is a picture of a little insect called a gnat. And this is a picture of a design. So let's go over those pictures again. New, gnash, sign, gnome, assignment, gnaw, gnat, and design. When you're done dragging and dropping the pictures to the correct words, please press the X and then press the blue turn-in button.